Hey there, this is John Barton with JB Cases. Let's do a weekly showcase for the week of, what is the week? April 25th, okay? Last week in April. Here we go. All right, April showers bring May flowers. Is that how it goes? All right, let's see what we got here. So first case up here, I have a black case with red zipper pulls, black 4x8, and rainbow stitching on here. Guys, check out this rainbow stitching. It's pretty cool. I don't even know how they do that when they manufacture it. It's a modern miracle. That's what it is. How do they get this thread to be all these different colors? It's like tiny tie-dyes. Alright, that's a 4x8 with backpack straps. And here I have a 4x8 butterfly in gray and red with gray leather on here. Looks pretty cool. And a gray interior. 4 butts, 8 shafts. Alright, next one I have up here, I think I've done all those, so I need to do those.
Yeah, those you've done.
Alright, well I didn't, just those two on the end I didn't.
Right.
So this is a 4x8 olive green, army green, with larger pockets here, taller pockets. It's what we call our dynamite rugged. For Kid Dynamite, who ordered the first one like this. 4 butts, 8 shafts. The green interior. And here I have another 4x8 in a camo with no strap. You'll notice on here. This is like a woodland camo type. No strap, and let's show you what the interior looks like. This one's got safety orange stitching and a green interior. Army green interior. Alright. I should do a video someday, you know, like get all these preppers in their fatigues with a couple of our camouflage cases, right?
Yeah.
And then we get them doing like tactical runs and everything, you know, around buildings and everything, and with their cases slung across their back, and then they come around a corner and they're like, clear, 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 and all of them come in converging from all the different distances to a pool table.
That would be fun. A big obstacle course on the table.
All right, this is a 4x8 in black. 1 strap. This is your basic black is the new black here. With a blue interior, a bright blue. Alright. I miss Mr. Alright.
Yeah.
We need Lucas back. Mr. Smooth. Alright, so this is a 4x8. Black and lime green and purple piping and white. So see, it makes a nice vibrant case on here with white zipper pulls and white stitching. No top handle, so you got kind of a sleek look with a purple interior. How cool is that? Look at that. You got a little purple right here, and then you got a nice callback right there with the purple on the inside. There you go. That's what custom's all about, folks. Alright, moving on here, I've got a 3x6 brown and black with white stitching. We went from super flashy to conservative here. There you go. You guys don't get your political panties in a bunch there just because I said conservative. Understated. How about that? You're like, I bet the guy with the green one's gay. So, this one is black, royal blue with royal blue stitching. 1 strap. one here is black and red and gray. Three by six, sorry, forgot to say that. 3x6 black with white stitching. So often I will get people that will say, hey, I don't want to wait 10 weeks, you know, what do you got? And we don't have a lot, you know, because most of our orders are custom orders. So when we do make things for general sale, we try to make things that are a little bit more unique, a little bit more cool in terms of wild designs. So the best thing to do when you want to, even when you want to order like a black case, is just order it. Just order it and wait. You know, it's going to be 10 to 12 weeks out of your life that you got to wait, but at the end of it, you get a case that's solid with a lifetime warranty. This one here is a 4x8, black and teal, so teal stitching. Very cool. Our friend Lucas taught us how to say "all right" in the smoothest way. He'd be like, "This is a pink and black JB case with one strap, and it is all right." Seriously, he had the smoothest voice. Like he could be like a radio DJ. It was so smooth.
Oh yeah.
And he's super cool. So cool dude.
That's a pretty damn good shot.
Yep, it's about a 650, I think. So this one here is brown and tweed. 2x5, 3x4. I think I showed this one on there. There you go. 3 butts, 4 shafts. And this one here is gray and green, black, gray, and green, with JB cases on the lid. Looks cool. Thank you very much. I always want to do that one in Elvis voice. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Two by 3 in black. 1 strap, 2 pockets. It's what we call our basic rugged. There you go. Three by 6, black with white sides, white pocket sides, white piping, white straps, and white stitching. White zipper pulls, 3 butts, 6 shafts. Okay, last two. We have this one is for CF. There you go. This is burnt orange and black, huh?
Really good looking embroidery.
Yeah, that one does look good. With a blue interior. Royal blue, tournament blue interior. Alright, and the last one today is a 3x6 dynamite with navy blue, royal blue, and white stitching, white pocket sides, white zipper pulls, and a blue interior. There you go. That's it. That's all the fantastic look at our great protection for today. So just remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, call Don, he'll build it for you. All right, JB Cases, lifetime warranty. You guys take care.